Display replacement with built-in Wi-Fi, Nirvana heat pump, 2025 and earlier models. To remove the old screen from your Nirvana unit, first use a flathead screwdriver to locate the two clips at the top of the casing. Gently press each clip. The casing will detach from its base. Next, use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the casing from the base, allowing you to separate it into two parts. Disconnect the Ethernet cable that connects the board to the unit. Using the same screwdriver, unscrew the old screen and remove it from its mount. Place the new board in position and screw it in exactly the same location. Reconnect the Ethernet cable to its terminal. Then, place the plastic casing back onto the base containing the board and tighten the screws firmly. Finally, snap the casing back into place by pressing until you hear a click.